Alright guys, for this one we are trying to find the expression that is equivalent to x plus x plus x, and remember there's an imaginary 1 in front of all of these, so really we're adding 1x plus 1x plus 1x, which would give us 3x. And then the next one, this is saying which of these expressions are equivalent. So here we are going to use that train method that we learned, where we're going to start from the back and box each of the terms. And then we're only going to combine like terms. So remember, like terms have the same variable raised to the same power. So if we look here, y squared, we do have another y squared, so we will combine those. Let's see, we have just a y and 3y, so those can be combined. And then our x right here, we cannot combine that with any of them. So it's going to be on its own. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so if we combine our 3y and our 4y, that would give us 7y squared. And if we combine our y, 1y, and 3y, we get plus 4y, and then our plus x would be at the end. So remember, these can be written in any order since it's all addition, but if you look right here, it matches this one perfectly.